friends, myself Harshada Chandrasekhar Randwe. I study in standard 7th. My school name is Indira Gandhi Vidya Niketan. Our today topic is future of my nation. Everyone in this world has a dream. One always make plan about the future. I too dream of India that is perfect. I would be an India in which there would be no racism, communalism and regionalism. First of all, I would root out communalism, whatever its shape or form may be. All such tendencies which fan the force of separatism and distribution would be eliminated. I want India to be scientifically advanced, technological better and agriculturally advanced. I would like to build an India where logic and scientific ideas would prevail over the blind faith and fanaticism. I would like to begin India to the effects of scientific and technological progress because the modern age is the age of science and information technology. I would like to country to Hegel industrialized. This is the age of industrialization, and in this age, the country should be taken to the zenith of progress and prosperity city. I would also strengthen India defense. The country would be so strong that no enemy would ever dare cast his covetous eyes on the scared soil of India. Elimination of ignorance would be may properties because these are bans for any society. People would be educated on mass scale. If the measures are taken with most sincerity, India would be soon be connected among the most powerful countries of the world and would also guide those countries that are still slaves of big powers. I would be an India that Rabindranath Tagore described in his lines, where the mind is without fear and the head is Hegel high, where no is free, where wood has no been broken up to into fragment by walls, narrow domestic walls. Once are narrow domestic walls. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.